Whoa. So, we have a crazy video to share with you. I witnessed a pretty crazy crash on a track day. This video you might have seen all over the internet. It's been kind of just making the rounds, going viral, but I have not shared the full video of exactly what happened here when I was driving onto Circuit of the Americas with my C8 Corvette Z06 with the track package. Now right here I have the complete video, which I'll do a play-by-play on. We're currently in Adobe Premiere, but if I go to the beginning, here is how it all began. I'll give you my live reactions as it happens so you can really see on the screen what it looks like. This was a wild day, absolutely wild day. And I just want to make sure when I do this, I'm going to turn down the volume just enough so you can hear me and the video. And I'll actually play the video on its own too. But we just have to go over how this actual accident is real, wasn't staged, and what happened before, then after. Let's play it. But real quickly, this is crazy, guys. I can't believe it's happening. The giveaway is ending in less than, I think, 2 weeks. The end of July, July 31st, is the deadline. And for this promotional period, we have a crazy multiplier going on for things you pick up on the website. The mystery multiplier is live to send off the grand finale, and we're starting at 300 times entries per dollar spent on speedphenom.com, which will give you automatic entries into the latest giveaway currently happening. I can't believe the giveaway period is coming to an end. The mystery multiplier is live for this promotional period, which means not only are entries starting at 300x right now, but you could get a crazy multiplier hit with your entries. So you can get way more than that. You don't want to miss out on it, guys. This is it. This is the final stretch. You could win a Ford Mustang GT. It's so easy to enter, guys. All you have to do is go on speedphenom.com. If you see something you like, pick it up, and you get automatic entries into the giveaway. Plus, it's actually ending soon. This is not a giveaway that's going to be ending in 6 months from now. July 31st is the end date. Make sure to check the link down below in the description or floating on the top of the screen right now. I brought my C8 Corvette Z06 to Circuit of the Americas to really get a feel of how it comes together. This is the same track that you've seen a lot of videos on in the past couple months with Corvette, because they brought the ZR1s out here. When I brought my Z06, it was like the first Z06 to really go on this track outside the development team. Speaking of Chevy, they're cool enough to actually give us a truck to trailer our Z06 out here. So we were doing a long-term, just long-distance review with I think it was a ZR2. So I used that to trailer my Corvette Z06 to this racetrack at Circuit of the Americas. So shout out to Chevy for hooking us up with that. And I was giving a thumbs up to this cool C8 Corvette Stingray owner. There's so many cool Corvette owners out there. Plus, other car brands. I mean, this is a track. I just want to add a few notes on this. This is a racetrack where you get to meet the coolest people. You can see the best cars. McLaren 720S there. You get to see not only everyday drivers like the Subaru right there, the BRZ, but you have 911s, Corvettes, R8s, Lamborghinis, like what's pulling in I think right now. Yeah, Lamborghini Huracan Technica? GTR, Porsche, and then another Urus, a Urus on the racetrack. Isn't that wild? I love this color for the Mach 1. Look at that. It's like a grabber blue with all the striping. So I roll up to the initial track worker, and I just wanted to roll up and chat with him for a quick second. That's why I drive directly to him. And if you can hear, here's what I say.
Has the session started? What's up? Has the session started?
Yes, sir. Also beautiful Z06.
Thank you so much. So going on track?
They'll check your wristband down there, but after that, you'll be good.
Thank you.
It's really fun seeing reactions, and this was like the first Z06 people saw on this track. When I posted this video, not actually this crash video, but my laps, it was like the fastest, it was like the record time for a Corvette Z06 out there, a consumer one, and we did like a 2:19. Which it held for the record for a Z06 until I think Hennessy brought out a professional racing driver and they beat it by less than a second, I believe, which is insane. During the ZR1 test out here, like, they're going quick in that car, and they were averaging like 219s. So as I roll up here, I just am looking for the track worker. Yep.
It looks good. Chin strapped. Okay, looks good, baby.
And we're good to go on track.
Am I gonna go?
Here's what happens, and thankfully I wasn't actually in front of the Alpha. So here we go. Yep, that happened right in front of me, and in this moment, I'm in shock. I'm looking around. Everyone else is, I think, in shock. They're just standing there. Two people right there. They're just casually walking over. There's no one running. There's one person running way down there. So I'm just shocked with, like, the reactions, and I just want to pause it right here. This is when I look in hindsight, and I'm like, I wish I reacted differently. But I really didn't know what to do, because I'm right here staged in the hot pits where each car is ready to go out on track, right? To my right, these cars are driving around me like nothing happened. They're just going to go on track. I'm not a certified medical like technician. I don't have any skill sets in that field. But in hindsight, I do wish I just jumped out and ran over to try to be more helpful, to do whatever I could. But in this moment, it was a tough scenario because I'm all geared up, helmets on, I'm strapped in to the Z06. I'm stuck right here in the hot pits with cars driving around me, and I'm just trying to figure out what just happened. So let me hit play. And by the way, I'm going to pause it again. If you are medical personnel, what do you think of this whole thing happening right here? The response, the reactions, because still so far there's no one helping the driver. Look, the driver is still, from what it looks like, by themselves. There's the ambulance, and there's the car. From what I'm told, the driver was fine. So I want to add that into this video. I don't know all the details, but I was told the driver was okay. For the car, as you can see here, it doesn't look like it. The car looks quite badly injured. So I just zoomed in just now on the crash. You can see there is quite a lot of damage on the front end. The side mirror is gone. The windshield is cracked. And the whole front bumper clip is up. The whole situation was quite wild to me. So if I scan for it a bit more, do you see a driver in that car? I don't see a helmet yet. I still don't see a helmet, and that's all I got. So the ambulance is driving up. Yeah, so the driver must still be in the car. And then I'm waved on track. I'm looking around. I'm going, what the heck? And then now I have to continue on a session on the racetrack after I saw that. So that definitely got to me. I was very shocked by that whole scenario. This whole thing was very unfortunate. I'm happy to note and share that I was told the driver was okay. It was crazy. I really hope the driver's doing good now. You could have been on the back straight at Circuit of the Americas going 140 miles an hour, and that can happen then. And that would be significantly a bigger crash for sure. This happened while the car was stationary, and it picked up some good speed, yeah, but it didn't keep going, right? It had a closure. Must have been a lot of G-forces too, and thankfully I think the driver was buckled in. But the crash, it seemed like from what I was told that day, everything kept going fine and everything was good. When I did my track day, we had an ambulance on site. If you guys don't know, we host track days too. It's important to keep safety up. And I'm sharing this because I hope when you go to track days, people will continue to keep safety there. Sometimes, I guess, people might not want to pay the money to have safety personnel on site. But when I hosted our track day, a recent one at Willow Springs Raceway, I had full ambulances on site and track personnel there for everybody, and this is critical to do. This is really critical to do. So I hope that sharing this, that response times and track safety, is always a priority for people. Keep your eyes up in the hot pits, please, because sometimes people walk around and bad things can happen. So I want to know your guys' feedback in the comment section down below. the Alpha looked like it didn't fall apart too badly. Real quickly, guys, we're at Speed Phenom Film right now, our amazing headquarters on the beach of Carlsbad, California. And Speed Phenom Film is the extension to Speed Phenom, the brand, where we get to help all of you who own a performance car, really anything, to get it protected. Whether you're picking up a new Corvette ZR1 or GTD or any pickup truck, you can bring it in here. We can get it protected with paint protection film on the front end, a track package tailored for your track needs or just the road, or a full car wrap, so you can enjoy your vehicle with the peace of mind that you're not going to get any crazy rock chips or more just by simply driving. Obviously, there's some things you can never prevent, but this offers so much protection here that it changes everything. And I've fully wrapped, I think, every one of my cars for the past couple of years personally, and that's what really has sold me on the entire process too. So if you need anything, make sure to give us a call at 760-496-8607, and we'd be happy to take care of you. We started this company to give back to our viewers here on the channel and locals in the community. So we're serving everywhere from Orange County, Rancho Santa Fe, all the way down to San Diego area. So if you need anything, whether it's windshield protection, window tints, shimmer coating, paint protection film wraps, and more, give us a call and we'll take care of you. That's 760-496-8607. Again, get your quote today. Okay, that's gonna wrap up this video. Don't forget to get involved right now. It's closing. The clock is ticking. I can't believe the giveaway period is ending. So make sure to go on speedphenom.com. Get entered today. You could win a Ford Mustang GT. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. It really does help me out. And subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next one.